How to change currency in Phantom Wallet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change currency in Phantom Wallet. So if you're exploring the world of crypto and have been using the Phantom Wallet application, today's video is perfect for you. In this guide we'll talk about how to change the currency display in Phantom Wallet app and what you need to know about its limitations. So let's dive right in. First, it's crucial to understand that you cannot manually switch currencies in Phantom Wallet app. So Phantom Wallet is specifically designed as a Solana-based wallet, which means it focuses on showing balances in Sol or other Solana ecosystem tokens like SPL tokens. By default, the wallet also displays our token balances in USDT and US dollars for a quick reference to their fiat value. The conversion rate shown in USD is calculated based on the current market price of the tokens you hold. So unfortunately, Phantom does not support the option to view your wallet balance in other fiat currencies such as euros, pounds, or yen. The default USD display is fixed for now, and users cannot customize this setting. So while Phantom Wallet provides an accurate overview of your asset values in USD, it currently lacks flexibility when it comes to displaying other currencies. So this is something to keep in mind when managing your portfolio, and I hope this clears up any confusion about the currency settings in the Phantom Wallet application. And if you're looking for a simple way to track your token values, Phantom does a great job with its default USD display, but options for other currencies aren't available yet. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.